Always start with GelColor nail prep. I begin with my choice of GelColor base coat that I shook thoroughly for 1 minute to ensure my product is fully dispersed. I'm going to use the Stay Classic base coat. Notice when I'm applying, I cover the entire nail surface evenly. This is going to give you a nice foundation for your color. Keep in mind not to flood the cuticle area. Flooding the cuticle area can lead to premature lifting. Also, don't forget to cap the free edge. I'm going to repeat these steps on the remaining nails and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to repeat these steps on the remaining nails and cure for 30 seconds. For the base shade of my French tip mani, I'm going to use GelColor Put It in Neutral. It's a nice, sheer shade that's going to help camouflage any nail imperfections. I'm going to apply one nice thin layer covering the entire nail, capping the free edge, and making sure that I don't flood the cuticle area. Once I've applied one coat on each nail, I will then cure for 30 seconds. With the first coat cured, I'm going to apply a second coat of Put It in Neutral. Put It in Neutral is a sheer shade, so understand that the free edge will not be opaque, but that's okay because we'll use alpine snow to create white tips. Cure your second coat for 30 seconds. Now with the nail wipe and NAS 99, I'm going to remove the tacky layer, also known as the inhibition layer. This is going to ensure that I have clean, crisp, white smile lines. With my GelColor Alpine Snow, I'm going to apply it to the tips of each nail. Notice how I'm not applying perfectly. With the gel uncured, use a brush and a tiny bit of NAS 99 to clean up the smile line. Now, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the remaining nails and cure for 30 seconds. Once nails are fully cured, I'm going to seal it all in with my GelColor Stay Shiny top coat. I apply a nice, thin coat evenly on each nail, making sure not to flood the cuticle area, and I always cap the free edge. That's really going to seal it all in and provide me that high shine finish. Cure the whole hand for 30 seconds. And lastly, remove the tacky layer with the nail wipe and NAS 99. It's okay if the cuticle looks a little bit dry. We're going to replenish them now with Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle Oil. I apply 1 drop to each finger. And gently massage it in. And there you have it, your GelColor French tip application.